Switzerland, a land of breathtaking beauty and timeless charm. The name conjures up images of snow-capped peaks, sparkling lakes, and charming villages. It's a place where nature's grandeur meets human ingenuity, creating a harmonious blend that is both awe-inspiring and comforting. It's a country that seems almost too perfect to be real, like something out of a storybook. The landscapes are so picturesque, they could easily be mistaken for paintings, with every detail meticulously crafted by nature's hand. And nestled in the heart of this fairy tale landscape is Le Gruyere, a region that embodies the very essence of Swiss beauty and charm. Here, the majestic Alps stand tall, their snow-capped peaks reaching towards the sky, while lush green valleys stretch out below, dotted with quaint villages and serene lakes. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by Le Gruyere's enchanting atmosphere. The region exudes a sense of tranquility and timelessness, inviting you to slow down and savor every moment. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of pine trees and wildflowers. Each breath you take feels like a rejuvenating elixir, cleansing your mind and invigorating your spirit. The pace of life is slower here, more relaxed. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the simple pleasures of life. The locals greet you with warm smiles and open hearts, eager to share their rich cultural heritage and traditions. It's a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature and yourself. Whether you're wandering through lush meadows, hiking along scenic trails, or simply sitting by a tranquil lake, you'll find a sense of peace and serenity that is hard to come by in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of authentic Switzerland, Le Gruyere has something to offer everyone. For the adventurous, there are countless opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring the great outdoors. For those looking to unwind, there are plenty of quiet spots to relax and take in the stunning scenery. So come along with me as we delve into this hidden gem and discover all that it has to offer. We'll explore its charming villages, each with its own unique character and history. We'll visit local markets where you can sample delicious Swiss cheeses and other regional delicacies. Let's embark on a journey through picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and centuries-old traditions. We'll meet the people who call this place home and learn about their way of life, which has remained largely unchanged for generations. Are you ready to experience the magic of Le Gruyere? Join me as we uncover the secrets of this enchanting region and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's the breathtaking scenery, the warm hospitality, or the rich cultural heritage, Le Gruyere is sure to leave a lasting impression on your heart. Imagine yourself strolling through rolling green hills, the sun warm on your face. The landscape stretches out before you, a patchwork of vibrant greens and golden hues, each hill gently rising and falling like the soft waves of an emerald sea. The sun casts a gentle glow, illuminating the natural beauty that surrounds you. A gentle breeze whispers through the trees, carrying with it the fresh, earthy scent of the forest. The leaves rustle softly, creating a soothing symphony that harmonizes with the distant chirping of birds. It's a melody that invites you to pause, breathe deeply, and savor the serenity of the moment. As you walk, you come across charming Swiss chalets, their wooden facades adorned with colorful flowers and their roofs weighed down by snow. Each chalet is a masterpiece of rustic elegance, with vibrant blooms spilling from window boxes and intricate woodwork that tells tales of generations past. The contrast of the bright flowers against the snowy backdrop creates a picturesque scene that feels like a page from a storybook. This is the quintessential Swiss landscape, and it's a sight that will take your breath away. The rolling hills, dotted with these charming chalets, create a postcard-perfect view that captures the essence of Switzerland's natural beauty. The air is crisp and clean, invigorating your senses and making you feel truly alive. Le Gruyere is renowned for its idyllic countryside where time seems to stand still. Here, the hustle and bustle of modern life fade away, replaced by the gentle rhythms of nature. The fields are lush and green, dotted with wildflowers that add splashes of color to the landscape. It's a place where you can slow down, reconnect with nature, and find peace in the simplicity of rural life. The hills are alive with the sound of cowbells, and the air is filled with the sweet smell of freshly cut hay. The gentle clanging of the bells creates a soothing background music, a reminder of the region's rich agricultural heritage. The scent of hay, fresh and earthy, mingles with the crisp mountain air, creating an aroma that is both invigorating and comforting. It's a place where you can truly escape the modern world and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Here, the worries and stresses of everyday life seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and contentment. The natural beauty of the landscape, combined with the peaceful ambiance, creates a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. As you wander through this idyllic setting, be sure to keep an eye out for the region's iconic chalets. These traditional wooden houses with their sloping roofs and charming details are a testament to Swiss craftsmanship and tradition. Each chalet is unique, yet they all share a common thread of beauty and elegance that is unmistakably Swiss. These traditional wooden houses are a symbol of Switzerland, and they're a sight that's sure to capture your heart. The chalets, with their warm, inviting appearance, evoke a sense of nostalgia and charm. They stand as proud symbols of the country's rich cultural heritage, each one telling a story of the people who built and lived in them. With their sloping roofs, intricately carved balconies, and charming window boxes, each chalet tells a story of Swiss craftsmanship and tradition. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design, from the carefully carved woodwork to the vibrant flowers that adorn the windows. These chalets are not just buildings, they are works of art, each one a testament to the skill and dedication of the craftsmen who created them. As you explore this enchanting landscape, you'll find yourself falling in love with the timeless beauty and charm of the Swiss countryside. Nestled amidst the rolling hills and verdant forests of Le Gruyère lies a body of water so captivating it could easily be mistaken for a giant sapphire. Lake Gruyere, with its crystal-clear waters reflecting the azure sky, is a sight that will leave you breathless. Take a moment to relax by the shores, feeling the soft grass beneath your feet and the gentle breeze caressing your skin. Close your eyes and listen to the symphony of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a leisurely boat trip across the lake. As you glide through the tranquil waters, admire the stunning views of the surrounding mountains and picturesque villages. The gentle rocking of the boat and the fresh mountain air will lull you into a state of pure bliss. While the iconic sights of Le Gruyere are undeniably captivating, there's so much more to this enchanting region than meets the eye. Beyond the well-trodden paths and popular tourist spots lies a world waiting to be discovered, a world that holds the true essence of Le Gruyere. There's a certain allure to venturing off the beaten path and discovering hidden gems. These hidden treasures often offer a more intimate and authentic experience, allowing you to connect with the landscape and its history on a deeper level. And when it comes to panoramic views, Le Gruyere does not disappoint. Le Gruyere holds a secret, a lesser-known viewpoint that unveils the region's beauty in its full glory. This secret spot is a testament to the untouched and pristine nature of the area, offering a glimpse into a world that remains largely unchanged by time. Imagine yourself standing on a grassy knoll, the wind gently tousling your hair as you gaze out at a breathtaking panorama. This knoll is not just a viewpoint, it's a place where you can feel the heartbeat of the land, where every gust of wind and rustle of leaves tells a story. The wind gently tousling your hair as you gaze out at a breathtaking panorama. Below you, the landscape unfolds in a tapestry of rolling green hills, each hill a brushstroke in nature's grand masterpiece. The landscape unfolds in a tapestry of rolling green hills, dotted with charming villages, and the shimmering surface of Lake Gruyere. These hills are not just geographical features, they are the lifeblood of the region, supporting a rich tapestry of flora and fauna, dotted with charming villages and the shimmering surface of Lake Gruyere. These villages, with their quaint houses and cobblestone streets, offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. In the distance, the majestic Alps rise up to meet the sky, their snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds. The majestic Alps rise up to meet the sky, their snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds. These mountains are not just a backdrop, they are the guardians of the land, standing tall and proud, watching over the valleys below. This hidden vista is a true feast for the senses, a place where you can escape the crowds and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. The air here is crisp and clean, filled with the scent of wildflowers and the distant call of birds. A place where you can escape the crowds and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. As you soak in the stunning views, you'll feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you, a feeling that is hard to find in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. You'll feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the worries of the world melt away and you are left with nothing but the beauty of the moment, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. In this serene environment, you can truly connect with nature, finding solace in its timeless beauty. Le Gruyère's hidden panoramas offer not just a visual treat, but a soulful experience that stays with you long after you've left. Perched atop a hill overlooking the charming village of Gruyères stands a testament to a bygone era, the magnificent Gruyères Castle. Its imposing medieval architecture, complete with soaring towers and sturdy ramparts, harks back to a time of knights, chivalry, and epic tales. Step through the castle gates and into a world frozen in time. As you wander through the castle's chambers and courtyards, let your imagination run wild. Picture the lavish banquets that once took place in the Grand Hall, the clatter of armor as knights prepared for battle, and the intrigue that unfolded within the castle walls. The castle's well-preserved interiors offer a captivating glimpse into the lives of the Counts of Gruyere, who once ruled over the region. Admire the intricate tapestries, antique furniture, and historical artifacts that adorn the rooms, each piece whispering tales of a rich and storied past.